Ariocarpus fissuratus. Hello to all plant enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about one of the most unique and beautiful cacti, Ariocarpus fissuratus. This fascinating cactus has captured the attention of plant lovers due to its distinctive appearance and special care requirements. Introduction. The cactus, originally from the succulent family and known as Ariocarpus fissuratus, commonly called the Living Rock Cactus, is a fascinating plant with a woolly crown. From this crown, stunning flowers bloom in shades of pink to bright purple, measuring about 2.5 to 5 cm in size. This plant is native to northern Mexico and Texas in the United States. Most of these cacti are spineless, with leathery skin, and can grow up to a height of 22 to 24 cm, making them a unique addition to any plant collection. Care instructions for Ariocarpus. Light. Ariocarpus loves plenty of light, but avoid exposing it to direct sunlight during peak hours to prevent sunburn. Bright indirect light is the best choice. Watering. This cactus requires very little water. Only water it when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil. The soil used for Ariocarpus should have excellent drainage. A mix of cactus soil with sand and perlite works perfectly. Temperature. Ariocarpus grows well in moderate to warm temperatures. Be sure to protect it from cold and frost. Fertilization. Fertilize only during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Use a fertilizer specifically formulated for cacti. This plant requires fertilization 2 to 3 times each summer. Repotting Ariocarpus. If the plant has reached its maximum growth, it's time to repot it. However, note that repotting Ariocarpus should only be done every 3 years. The soil mix is crucial and should consist of 75% coarse sand, 25% pea gravel, and a soil-free compost. Additionally, the new pot should be slightly larger than the previous one. Propagation of Ariocarpus fissuratus. This cactus is propagated through seeds. The ideal growing medium is peat moss soil with high humidity of around 70%, gentle light, and a temperature range of approximately 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Diseases. Like other cacti, Ariocarpus fissuratus is susceptible to fungal infections, mealybugs, and various mites. To prevent fungal diseases, ensure the soil and environment have low humidity levels. Ariocarpus fissuratus is an excellent choice for cactus collectors. Its unique appearance and relatively simple care make this beautiful plant one of the true gems of your collection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions about this cactus or other plants, feel free to ask in the comments section. Until the next video, stay happy and keep your plants thriving.